Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to enable or disable the Hibernate mode in the power options, then watch this video. So if you normally see when you press the start button and the power options button, you will not see Hibernate here. Or if you do see Hibernate, then let's see how to disable it if you do want to disable it. So for this, we will click on the Windows and the R button and we will input the command power cfg.cpl powercfg.cpl and press enter, and we will come to the power options button panel. So we'll click on choose what the power buttons do, and then we'll click on change settings that are unavailable. On this, now we will check the Hibernate box and click on save changes. Now if we click on the start button and go to the power options, we can see Hibernate option here. If you want to disable it, we do the same thing. Go to the same power options panel by using the power cfg.cpl in the run dialog and choose what the power buttons do, change settings that are unavailable, and then we'll just uncheck Hibernate and click on save changes. And we can see that after we press the start button and go to the power options button, Hibernate is not there in the list. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.